What if I told you one of Europe's most unexpected art destinations is right here in Poland?
Welcome to Łódź, where massive street murals turn buildings into blank canvases. Welcome back to Retire to Rome. I'm LJ.
I'm Russell. Come along as we take you through this urban scene where we see all kinds of artwork, statues, and unexpected murals on the sides of these buildings here in Poland.
Here's one of the many water features found on the streets here in Łódź. And behind it is a large mural, and it appears that they have painted it to look like a movie theater. You can see the screen, you can see the theater seats there below, and maybe they show movies here at night. Not certain about that, but quite interesting. Great use of the side of a big building. Currently, there are over 80 large-scale murals across the city. The movement really got underway back in 2009 with the Urban Forums Foundation program, which was basically set up to give some life to the side of these gray buildings that you see in the city. Some of the murals are pictures of nature, such as the one here on the side of this building. This is actually near where we're staying in our apartment, while others appear to be more of an advertisement of either a business or some type of event. Not real sure what this was, but it looked like a fairly new mural. A lot of them, you can definitely tell that the weather and time has taken its toll on them. Hopefully they'll be refurbishing a lot of these or redoing them over the next few years, at least I hope. You can definitely walk around the city and see people kind of scoping them out and taking photos and selfies with them. So it's something very interesting to see how different they are. And from what I understand, these are all different artists that have completed these. You can certainly see how graffiti artists have come along and on some of them have added to them, I guess you would call it. And in a way, it's kind of frustrating to see the original artworks, I guess, messed up. But on the other hand, I guess it's a part of the city of Łódź, and it kind of makes it okay once you realize that. This again looked like a new one and something to do with maybe a business. So it's an interesting thing to do, to walk around the city and try and find them. And you can be walking by a building and look back behind you, and there's this gigantic painting on the side of a building. And best of all, it was free. There's no cost to do this, and as far as we could find, there's really no map. There are some that are more popular that you could probably look up on Google, but really they're all over the city in various neighborhoods and different locations. So it's kind of a I guess it's almost like a scavenger hunt to find as many as you can while you're staying in the city. Another mural here, and this one seems a bit faded, I guess, but you can still make out that it kind of, I suppose, depicts different people that might live in some of these apartment buildings. You have some couples, have some kids, a sailor, Someone out playing on the ledge. A guy in a baseball outfit. Punk rocker at the top. Looks like two gangsters up there. What movie was that, Russell? Blues Brothers. That's it. Interesting. Okay, so we have a cookie latte, hazelnut brownies, and then Russell is doing a chocolate tasting. And goodness, they were fantastic. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a blessed day and safe travels out there.